Hello guys, welcome to my channel All About Products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Introducing the DIORO Silicone Turner Spatula Set. A flexible, heat-resistant collection designed for every kitchen task. This versatile set includes a slotted turner, pancake turner, cookie turner, and compact turner, all crafted from pure silicone for safe use on non-stick cookware. Perfect for flipping cookies, pancakes, brownies, and omelets with ease, each tool is built for comfort, control, and durability. Whether you're cooking breakfast or baking treats, DIORO has you covered. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, these turners make everyday cooking effortless and mess-free. Introducing the CHEFMAN Indoor Pizza Oven, your ultimate countertop solution for delicious pizzeria-quality pies at home. Featuring a sleek digital interface with presets for New York-style pan pizza, Neapolitan, thin crust, and even frozen pizzas, it delivers perfectly cooked results in minutes. The high-heat cooking surface and double-paned glass door lock in heat for a crispy golden crust every time. A pizza peel is included for easy handling, and it's perfect for pizza-friendly side dishes too. Elevate pizza night with the power and precision of a real pizza stove, right in your kitchen. Introducing the Dualit Classic 4-Slice Toaster, a timeless design built for performance and longevity. Featuring armor-plated replaceable slots, a mechanical timer for precise browning, and a manual ejector lever for full control, this toaster is as durable as it is functional. With fully repairable and replaceable parts, it's built to last a lifetime. Introducing the Hot and Iced Coffee Maker, your all-in-one solution for brewing the perfect cup, hot or cold. Designed with a capsule function and compatible K-pod holder, it offers 4 pod sizes and 5 brewing capacities to suit every taste. The removable water tank makes refills easy, while its quick brew system delivers fresh coffee in just 15 minutes. Whether you're craving a bold hot brew or a refreshing iced coffee, this machine has you covered. Introducing the French Fry Cutter, a heavy-duty kitchen tool built with a durable die-cast iron and aluminum body for long-lasting performance. Designed for stability, it features screw holes for mounting and suction cups to keep it firmly in place during use. The V-shaped trough holds potatoes securely while keeping the machine clean, and the removable blade assembly and push block make cleanup a breeze. Complete with a vintage embossed handle, it blends functionality with classic charm. Compatible with all parts, this cutter is perfect for effortless, consistent fries every time. Introducing the Electric Hotpot 6-Quart, a versatile multi-cooker designed for healthy, hassle-free meals. Featuring a fluoride-free ceramic oil coating, it's safe, non-stick, and easy to clean. With a smart timer function and 3 power levels, you can cook with precision and ease. This 8-in-1 slow cooker handles everything from soups to stews and more. Enjoy convenient, worry-free cooking every day. Perfect for family meals or meal prepping, it brings both convenience and versatility to your kitchen. Introducing the Coffee Mug Warmer Set, the perfect way to keep your favorite beverages warm and ready. With a durable stainless steel body, just connect the adapter and turn it on for quick, reliable heating. The UL-listed cord offers overcurrent and overheat protection for safe daily use. A warming plate maintains ideal drink temperature, while the silicone sleeve and lid with spoon opening add extra convenience. Say goodbye to cold coffee for good. Stylish and functional, it's the perfect desk or kitchen companion for coffee, tea, and more. Introducing the Cuisinart STM 1000 Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer, a sleek stainless steel appliance designed for healthy, flavorful cooking. Its digital controls and clear glass pot let you monitor your food as it steams to perfection. With powerful steam performance and a spacious one-size capacity, it's ideal for veggies, fish, grains, and more. Eat fresh, cook smart, and steam with ease. Introducing the multifunctional drain basket with Spout, a smart kitchen essential designed for quick and easy draining. Featuring smooth edges, a hook design, and an upgraded draining baffle, it ensures safe and efficient use. The concave slot design speeds up water flow, making rinsing fruits, veggies, and more a breeze. Practical, compact, and built for everyday convenience. Introducing the 2-set stackable wire basket, a stylish and functional way to organize any space in your home. Featuring a natural bamboo removable lid, the top doubles as a cutting board for added versatility. The stackable design saves space while keeping items easy to access in your kitchen, pantry, living room, study, or bathroom. Sleek, durable, and multi-purpose, it's storage made simple and smart. Introducing the ultimate sponge holder for kitchen sink, your all-in-one sink caddy with adjustable partitions for customized storage. Designed with a high brush holder and soap dispenser, it keeps your essentials organized and within reach. Say goodbye to clutter and keep your sink area neat and tidy. Perfect for every modern kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with the Sweet Alice Rechargeable Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set. No batteries needed. Featuring a gravity-sensing switch, it automatically grinds with just a tilt. The built-in LED light ensures precision, even in low light. Designed for one-hand operation, it's effortless and convenient. With a sleek black design and a 2-pack set, it's perfect for any modern kitchen. Recharge, grind, and enjoy fresh seasoning anytime. Make perfect eggs every time with the Evolup multifunctional egg cooker. Ideal for busy mornings and special occasions. Cook up to 6 eggs at once, choosing soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness with ease. Compact and space-saving, it's perfect for dorms, camping, and kitchens of any size. The Ready buzzer alerts you when your eggs are done, while detachable parts make cleanup a breeze. Includes poaching trays, an omelet tray, an egg holder, and a measuring cup for versatile cooking. Enjoy effortless, delicious eggs with one-touch convenience. The CHEFMAN Panini Press Grill and Gourmet Sandwich Maker offers non-stick coated plates for easy cooking and cleanup. With a 180-degree opening, it fits any type or size of food, making it versatile for sandwiches, grilling, and more. The stainless steel surface adds durability, while the removable drip tray makes cleaning a breeze. Perfect for making up to 4 slices of your favorite paninis or sandwiches. Introducing the ultimate super nonstick deep frying pan. Cook with less oil for a healthier meal, and watch food slide right off effortlessly. Built with heavy-duty cast aluminum, it heats up fast and evenly on all stovetops, including induction. The heat-resistant handle stays cool, and the tempered glass lid keeps your cooking mess-free. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Just wipe and rinse. One pan, endless possibilities. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.